After successful login, the dashboard page of the PDMS application will be displayed. At the top of the application, the user can see the title bar and tab menus. In the title bar, the first option is the notification button. Clicking the notification button will display the pending tasks assigned to the logged in user. Next is the user profile option. By clicking the user profile, the user can view and modify profile details, including changing the account password. The next option is the dashboard button. Clicking the dashboard button will navigate the user back to the dashboard page, which displays all user-specific pending relay activities. Finally, the logout button is available in the title bar. Clicking the logout button will securely log the user out of the application.